Good morning, May 1st. Happy Friday. We have lots of plants going. Cherries, beefsteak, basil, echinacea. We have sugar baby watermelons, Rutgers. Some will go outside, some will get in containers. Cherry tomatoes will probably go outside today. So I figured I'd give you guys a quick update before I start moving this. I'm out of room. Beans, corn, sorry for the shakiness. Tomatoes, potatoes, baby cantaloupe, sunflowers, peas. I have more to start. Some celery. We have one root in the house too. Sugar pumpkins. We're trying honeydew, big cantaloupe, corn. Sorry guys, cauliflower, Park's Whopper tomatoes, cabbage, more celery, Cherokee purple tomatoes. The yellow watermelons are in the back. We got squash in the front. Sorry, the sun's in my eyes. Bell peppers, Chicago pickling, super sauce tomatoes, hot peppers, jalapeno peppers, Rutgers tomatoes, pomegranate. We have pots that'll stay in here, hot peppers, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, super sauce tomato, Park's Whopper tomato, beefsteak tomato, hillbilly tomato, Cherokee purple tomato, cherry tomatoes, Rutgers tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. I'm going to do a sugar cube cantaloupe in here, a sugar pumpkin in here, and a sugar baby watermelon. Need to get the troughs ready, but right now I'm using the dirt and for storage. There's the rest of our aromas. We have broccoli back there. This is all I have left to transplant. There's a tray growing in the house. So let me get some stuff moved and maybe I can take you to the old garden this afternoon. You guys have a great day.